Hi there, this is Anna from Anna Aspnes Designs, and in today's video I want to share with you all of the artsy digital scrapbooking pages that I created using the FotoInspired template series by Anna Aspnes Designs. In Photoshop, I combined my own everyday photos and stories with the templates to create a collection of pages that will ultimately be printed as a photo book or album. If you're interested in learning more about this project, then click on the link below to access the corresponding blog post. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoy my year in review of 2018.